In this video, we are going to see how to do this basic animation using Canva for free. To do this animation, first we have to go to canva.com. From there, we will select the videos. Next, we have to select a background. For that, we'll go to Elements. We'll type forest background. I'm going to use this forest background. Go to graphics. There will be many forest background listing out. So you can select which one you want, and I am selecting this. Next, right click, select set image as background. Next, we will start making the animation by making a car moving on the road. So go to Elements, search for car, select a car which you want, place it on the background. So next, you are going to do the animation. Select the car, go to animate, create an animation, and select the object which you want to animate. And now you are making a path for the car, how it has to move. So you can see a blue line, that is the path how the car will move. Next, click the smooth button. So now you can see how the car moves. To finish this, we have selected done button. Next, we will make a bird flying. So go to select, type bird, flying bird, and choose a bird from the list and place it where you want them. And next, you will do the same animation how you did for the car. Same way, select the object, click animate, and select generate and animate, and you move the object how it want to fly. So you'll create a path. The blue line indicates the how you're creating the path. Next, click on smooth to have a smooth movement. So likewise, you can do how many animations you want. Now we'll see a man walking by the side of the road. So same way how we did the animation for car and the bird, we will do the same thing for this man as well. So next, we will select a bunny and make the same animation how we did for all the other objects. It is very easy to do this basic animation and it looks so beautiful. So you can make any animation for any object. You have to just choose the path how the object has to move. So same, we are making it for the clouds as well. So you can use this animation for any number of times, for any number of objects. It is very easy to do. You can do them for free. To do this, you do not need Canva Pro as well. You can just do them for free. So now if you play the button, you can see the animation for all the objects, how it moves. So next we will download them by clicking download. We have to download using MP4 video and then click the download button and it will store it in your local folder. So see, you can see it is getting downloaded. So before downloading, you can change the name of this video. I forgot to change the name. So it is titled as Untitled Design. So this is how you have to do the basic animation using Canva for free.